We all have those moments, right, where you just stop and look around at your life and wonder, is this really it? Is my whole life just going to be this? That's the exact question Robbie asked himself. And that one simple, powerful question, it ended up changing absolutely everything. It was literally the first step on a whole new journey. So, to really get how far he traveled, we've got to go back to the very beginning, back to when he was just a boy from the village. So Robbie's world, it was pretty small. He grew up in a little village. His dad worked as a laborer, hard physical work every single day. His mom was a homemaker, holding everything together. But man, it was a struggle. They worked so hard, but it felt like they were always just trying to keep their heads above water. Making ends meet was a constant battle, this heavy weight on the whole family.
Okay, so if you were to drop a balance sheet for Ravi's life back then, it would look pretty grim. The liabilities column would be packed, right? No money, zero. No support system, no powerful friends, and definitely no guide or mentor to show him the ropes. I mean, on paper, it looks like he had absolutely nothing going for him. A real uphill battle from day one.
But here's the thing. He wasn't really starting with nothing. Tucked away amongst all those challenges, he had this one secret asset. And this one thing, it was about to change the entire game.
So yeah, the situation looked pretty hopeless. It's just this long, long list of things he didn't have. But hidden underneath all of that was the one thing, the one asset that, in the end, was the only one that mattered.
And what was it? It was a thirst for knowledge. A fire, really. This was the one thing no one could ever take away from him. It wasn't money, it wasn't connections, but it was his real starting capital. It was the engine that was going to power this whole incredible journey.
So, with that fire inside him, he came up with a plan. It was simple, but man, was it powerful. First things first, he made a hard decision. I am going to change my life, period. Then came the action part, learning. He took his old phone and just started soaking up everything he could find. Videos on finance, on business, on how to make money online. And listen, at first, it was super confusing. Total information overload. But he just didn't quit. He was completely dedicated, working his job during the day, and then studying, learning, all through the night.
And all that hard work, all those late nights, they were about to pay off. It led to his very first breakthrough. Now, it wasn't some huge lottery win, but it turned out to be the most important money he would ever earn.
So in all those late-night learning sessions, he stumbled upon this thing called freelancing. It's basically where you offer your skills to different clients for specific projects instead of working for just one company. For a guy like Ravi, with just a phone and an internet connection, it was the perfect way to get his foot in the door. And you know what? After all that grinding, he did it. He landed his very first client. The first money he ever made from this new skill he taught himself was 500 rupees. Just 500.
Now, I know, that doesn't sound like a fortune, but you have to understand for Ravi, that 500 rupees might as well have been $1 million. It completely changed his world. Because it wasn't really about the money. It was proof. Proof that he could do it. Proof that a different future was actually possible.
And that realization just clicked something in his head. It was a massive mindset shift. He understood that making money wasn't some impossible magic trick. The only thing standing in his way before was not knowing how. He just needed to find the right path. And now he had found it.
But here's the thing. Earning that first 500 rupees wasn't the finish line. Nope. In fact, it was just the start of a whole new challenge. The real test was about to begin. What was he going to do with that money?
He was at a crossroads. A choice we all face, right? Option 1, spend it. Get something nice, enjoy it right now. Or option 2, invest it. Use that little bit of money to build something for the future. And he made the tough choice. He chose to invest. He understood that playing the long game was way more valuable than a quick win.
So, as his savings started to grow bit by bit, he decided to take an even bigger leap of faith. He started a small online business. And let me tell you, it was not an overnight success. You can see it right here. He hit some rough patches. There were losses, setbacks, moments he probably wanted to quit. But every time he failed, he learned something. He tweaked his strategy, he kept pushing, and finally, all that persistence paid off. The business started to fly. And all through this struggle, can you imagine what he was hearing from people around him? This isn't for you, Ravi. You're wasting your time. All that criticism and doubt, but he didn't let it stop him. In fact, he kind of used it as fuel to keep going. Which brings us to the final chapter, the payoff for all that hard work, all that learning, all that persistence. This is the story of his freedom. Once the business really took off, everything started to change. His income started growing steadily, and his family's life totally transformed. That constant struggle was gone, replaced by stability and peace of mind. And within just a few years, he did something incredible. He bought them a new, better home. He had actually done it. He achieved the kind of financial freedom he used to only dream about.
But you know, reaching his own goals, that wasn't the end of the line for Ravi. Success wasn't just about him anymore. His mission, his purpose, it started to grow into something much, much bigger.
So today, Ravi's focus isn't just on his own business. He's actively teaching other people. He's sharing what he learned, guiding them so they can find their own path, just like he did. It's amazing, right? He completed the whole journey, from a learner to an earner, and now to a teacher.
So when you look at the whole story, from a kid in a village with nothing to a successful entrepreneur, it all came from one single thing. He found his thirst, that burning desire to learn and grow. And that kind of leaves us with a really important question, doesn't it? A question for you. What's that one thing inside of you that could change everything? What is your thirst?